Hello, welcome to another project update. So it's been a few weeks already, hasn't it? Well, so here's the reason why I haven't been uploading for a long time. I have been getting settled into my new place, and now today I finally have a fully functional internet connection. So technically, the past few weeks I've had internet to an extent, but it's been like internet through my basically I would take my cell phone out and I would turn the Wi-Fi hotspot on, and then if I would then I would use it to do pretty much just basic browsing and stuff. Maybe a few maybe watch some YouTube at low quality just to keep myself entertained. I would still work on the project, but I wouldn't be able to upload videos because partially because the connection was also really slow. But yeah, anyways, onto the actual progress of what I've done. I have composed a bunch of music that I guess I can show some of it right now. The problem is that some of the tracks are a little bit long, like they're multiple minutes long. So I don't know if I'm going to go through all of them, but yeah, I'll kind of show you what I've done. I forget where the thing is. Here it is. Oh yeah, so one weird issue that I've had with this project is this add-on that I got called um, what is it called? It's like MIDI. In the add-ons folder. It's just called MIDI. I forget what it's called. Let me see. Good old MIDI player. Am I recording? Yes, I am. So when I first downloaded this, there was a bunch of properties I can manipulate here, but for some reason those have disappeared. I don't know what happened, how they disappeared, but I can still technically use it. And I've done that by creating. So I guess I might as well show you kind of what I've done to kind of use the system. So yeah, I think in some of my past videos I've shown you um, I guess like demos of running the music tracks in the editor, and just pressing play and then pretty much just on this screen. Actually, I'm gonna do that real quick. The new track, spooky MIDI. Okay, this is one of the new tracks I composed. Can you hear that? No, it's a little quiet. Okay, let's increase the volume. I don't know if I'll play the whole thing. Oh, weird. It's still quiet. Okay, let's try 10. Okay, something is not working. Weird, because it was working earlier. But so what's supposed to happen is this volume dB is supposed to affect the how loud the music plays. It's I don't know, it's not working. And I wonder why that is. I don't know. But all right, so enough talking about this stuff that doesn't work. Let me show you what does work. So this whole add-on thing, this MIDI player, this was from the Godot asset library. I have made pretty much zero changes to it. It's just a GD script or a bunch of GD script classes and scripts from the asset library. And so in order to make it work with my code, which is based in C#, I've created a bunch of handler classes to kind of get it working with my system. So one little quirk that I can't show it here because it's broken for some reason, but let me see if I can find it. I'm not used to looking at GDScript, so forgive me if I zoom in. I guess I can't, except for over here. I'm not going to bother with that. Okay. Path. Okay. So the way that this works, this add-on works, is that you have to, in order to play back a track, you have to either go through set file path, or if it's working, which it isn't for me, you can set the where is it? Set sound font, set file. Oh, okay, here it is. So when it works correctly, this property called file is literally it's literally just a string, but it's like I don't know, a tag that basically tells the editor that it's a file, and you have to specify that it's a .mid file, which is a MIDI file. And so the problem with MIDI files is that they don't show, you can't really import them into the engine by default. So what I've done is I've created this workaround where I have this where is it? Here it is. A very basic resource class where you specify the path, which is this is one-to-one with the file property in the GDScript script. So you write whatever the path is. You say whether or not you want it to loop, and the volume, which isn't working for some reason. And then these other scripts. I need to show you the other one, the MIDI system. So here's the actual system. Here's the MIDI player that I'm actually using in the game. It is a child of this one called MIDI system, which is something that I made. Okay, so here's like the meat and potatoes of it. So I have reference to the MIDI system. Actually, no, that's not it. This is just a self-reference. So I have so here's the reference to the MIDI player, and since it's a GDScript script, I can't directly reference any of the properties in it through C#, but I can still call them using a .call or a .set, and that's what's going on here. So I'm taking these resources, and then if I run a set fade BGM in that accepts a MIDI file resource, and optionally fade time, and it'll manipulate this this MIDI player so that it'll fade in the music, and it'll fade or fade out appropriately. I guess I might as well kind of show you. This has technically been working in the last video, I think, but I have kind of altered it. Oh yeah, I made some changes to the loading screen, make it a bit nicer looking. Here's one track, and here's where that new spooky track plays. I apologize, it's a little bit quiet, so you probably can't hear it. Maybe I can... Oh, wow. It's actually really loud. Sorry about that. I wasn't expecting it to be that loud. But yeah, I think that kind of fits the mood very well. Oh, I know why the volume DB wasn't working. It's because I wasn't... Alright, so here's the MIDI. Here's the MIDI player, what's this called? TCSN scene that's included in the add-on. Then here's the actual system. So the reason why the reason why the volume wasn't being affected is because I wasn't calling it through my system. Yeah, it turns out it actually does work. I just wasn't doing it correctly. But yeah, that is basically what I've been doing. There's a few other tracks which I may have forgotten about. Yeah, let's see if I can show you some of these. Oh, never mind. I think that if I think my system is set up so that I can literally just run the MIDI files in Windows Explorer, and they should just run. Let me see if I can find them. Import sounds OST. Oh, here's one. So here's the dungeon music. I don't really want to sit through this whole thing, I'm sorry. It's very repetitive. Okay, let's see what else I've got here. I got some MIDI files and some OGG files I need to delete. Oh, here's the spooky track. Oh, it's quiet. Yeah, that's kind of the gist of it. Weird. I kind of thought I thought I made more music. Maybe I did, but it's just not here. I never exported it from FL Studio. But yeah. Oh yeah. I think this here's another thing that I did. So I think I remember in the last. I could be mistaken. I might have already fixed this in the last video, but I yeah maybe I didn't. I'm just gonna show it to you again anyways. It has to do with loading. So at some point there was a oh yeah, he's not gonna let me. Okay, actually I might as well just keep going this way. I was gonna show you that I fixed an issue with the game like reloading a scene that was already loaded that I fixed. But yeah, instead I'll just kind of go to the next area. According to my testing, most of the game so far is technically completable. I just need to iron out some quality of life and bugs. Oh yeah, I temporarily muted the bomb because it was like way too loud, or the fuse because it was way too loud. It's so obnoxious. I'm gonna see how far I can get I can get through the game before I can't progress anymore. Oh, I forgot to open the shortcut. No. It's for the best. It's for the best. Oh, and that climbing animation is kind of goofy looking, but it's serviceable. See if this works. It does. Nice. Okay. Oh yeah, I need to go back to the 3rd floor. Oh, good thing there's multiple routes. I keep taking damage. There's a bug. Okay, so currently I have 0 cookies. If I try to use cookies, yeah, he holds it in his hand. That shouldn't happen. So if I try to use the cookies while I have 0 cookies, nothing should happen, but instead he equips the cookies in his hand. So I'm gonna have to figure out what's going on with that bug. Oops. Accidentally smacked my microphone. Okay, getting towards the end. Okay. All right, let's see how this goes. Sorry about that. Music's not very fitting right now. I think what I should do is I should stop the music when maybe when the boss like shows up. And now I think the boss music should be playing, but it won't because I didn't implement that. I'm just gonna keep playing this. Alright, let's try to beat the boss. Okay. Aside from some audio issues, I think it's kind of surprised it hasn't crashed. But yeah. I think this is all old news now. Stuff we've seen in previous videos. Alright. We don't need to watch that again. Anyways, I think that's probably good for today's video. Yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.